ਕੰਮ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੂੰ ਵੇਖ ਲਓ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ
Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to a new unclogging video on Hellhole channel. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Today it's going to be very interesting unclogging video, which is one of the best so far. So today it is our complaint site. The whole street is flooded with sewage overflow. You can watch that. The sewage is accumulated in the whole street and the residents almost stuck in their houses. You can watch there is no place to walk and move from this street. We are going to check which span is blocked. Staff is moving the cover so we can find out the span which is blocked. So this is the span which is blocked. Let's see the condition of next manhole. This manhole is totally empty. Only few rubbish or blockage you can see inside the manhole. Except that all the manhole is empty. There is no sewage. Staff is going to remove that blockage with the help of a rake. But the blockage is stuck inside the pipe. So I don't think it's going to be possible to remove it with the help of rake. This tool is similar to rake, that's why I am calling it rake, but it's not a rake. Now staff is putting steel bar in and trying to catch that blockage and rubbish. Oh my god, the blockage is right in front of the pipe.
ਕੰਮ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੂੰ ਵੇਖ ਲਓ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ
ਵਕਤ ਬਾਤ ਆਈ ਸੀ ਇਹ ਮਾੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਗਿਆ ਹੀ ਅੰਦਰ
The blockage and rubbish was right in front of the pipe and it took no time to unclog the sewer line. And sewage came with a huge speed. You can see that. With this tool, they will try to catch the blockage which was stuck inside the pipe. Here we go. The blockage has been removed from the manhole. This was the blockage. Blocked the sewer line. And now the sewer line got functional in no time. The sewage which was accumulated in the street over this manhole is gone into the manhole, gone back within no time. You can watch that all the sewage has been vanished and flowed inside the manhole, and the sewer line got functional from this point. Remaining sewage which is near to this manhole is now going back with a significant speed. You can watch that. Now the sewage is not going into this manhole. Now we will move to previous manhole and check out. Is it functional now, or there is more need to unclogging the sewer line? Now staff is removing the cover of that manhole to check out whether it's functional or not. Yes, it is functional, and sewage is going inside the manhole with a huge speed. It won't take too much time to go inside the manhole. See that the sewage is traveling towards the manhole with a good speed. Sewage is vanishing from the street rapidly. Now the manhole cover is fully removed from the top of the manhole, and now staff is removing the floating materials. This sewage is also going to be finished. You can watch that the depth of sewage is now no more, is now coming from around. And then now the level of sewage in the manhole now going to be decreased as the sewage which was overflowing now gone back. Now it will decrease the level of sewage inside the manhole. Very less quantity of sewage right now in the street. Now sewage is falling now from the top of manhole. There are some inlets from which the sewage is also coming out. Sewage is flowing smoothly towards the main line.
ਮੈਂ ਕਿਦੋਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਓਏ ਉਹ ਮੈਂ ਤੂੰ ਮੇਰੀ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਮਝਿਆ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਪੁੱਛਣਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਨਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਫੋਦਗੀ ਹੋਏਗੀ
Blockage has been removed from the sewer line which was causing the blockage. Street is almost clear,
ਉਹ ਲਾਸਟ ਤੱਕ
and the sewage which has drawn the street now has gone flowed back into the sewer line. Only the last manhole need to check whether it is functional or not. You can see the sewage is flowing smoothly.
चल ठीक है रहने दे इन्हों रहने दे हाँ ठीक है ठहर जा
Was the last manhole which has also got functional, and the sewage has gone. This is a small dam which was created or made to stop the overflow or to stop the flow of sewage towards this route, which means the sewage was about more than 6 inches in depth, which has gone inside the sewer line. His point is in depression. That is why few sewage has been left over the street, except that all sewage has flowed back towards the manhole. Now this cover has also been placed back at the top of manhole. So this is the street which was drawn and flooded before 10 minutes. It's got clear. Thank you very much for watching the video.